Hey everyone, Josh Rubin here with Camp Judy, camp for adults 60 plus, and this is just one of the forest walks that we go on. Absolutely amazing to be able to get out into nature and to feel our bodies and to socialize and to be connected to nature. It's just an incredible experience, and I invite everyone to join us on Camp Judy. Looking forward to seeing you there.
I'm here in the beautiful Beit Shan Valley, just really enjoying being out in the country and the scenery here in Eretz Yisrael.
Hi, I'm Zahava, and I'm here with Josh on Kosher Tours and Adventures, and we are volunteering at this absolutely amazing experimental farm. They do a lot of research and development.
Hi, my name is Doreen. I've come on Camp Judy with Josh. I'm having a great time, and we walked in water and we swam in water, having great meals in the evenings, and we've done touring, and the bonus, we do volunteering. Some in the fields digging vegetables, but I've been planting information in small children.
I invite everyone to join us on Camp Judy. All the information is on my website, kosherworldadventures.com, and I look forward to walking in nature with you together. Have a great day.